We're making a pasta salad. I have to have a pasta salad to take over to my sister's house, and so let's get started. Okay, we are making a pasta salad, and we are going to take this over to my sister's house, and I am just using the garden rotini from Walmart. Got some little flavor bomb tomatoes, some black olives. We're going to do this up. I've got different color peppers, but I've got a pot of boiling water on, and when it starts to boil, we're going to put our pasta right in. I even remembered to put my red onion in the refrigerator so my eyes won't burn. So I'm going to have to wash some of these things, but we're going to get started on this delicious pasta salad. This was my sister-in-law, Tina's favorite thing that I ever made. She loved it. So every time I make it, I can't help but to think of her. And it's going to be a pretty big pasta salad. And I want it to set overnight, so I'm making it tonight because I want it to set overnight and it kind of just tastes better the next day. And I'm probably not going to use all these onions, but while I'm chopping, I might as well go ahead and get them all done. Putting these onions in the refrigerator makes a huge difference on your eyes. And I'm not going over to her house till tomorrow afternoon. But it just makes sense to go ahead and have it ready so it won't be on my mind all day tomorrow. And it will taste so much better after it sits and marinates all together. And our water is not quite boiling yet. I think this should be enough red onion for our salad right here. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and put our onion right in. And I've got a red onion chopped up for later in the week. Make sure we cut off them big red chunks. They're kind of bitter. We don't want them in our salad. Like my stuff to have the same, the same kind of size bite, the same size bite. Okay. We're going to just put it right in our bowl. Very colorful, beautiful salad. And we got our yellow one here. My mom loves this salad, and she's going to be having some of it too. I really don't know anybody that does not love this salad. I love to make it on a Sunday and have it all during the week because it lasts quite a few days in the refrigerator. But it's normally gone by Wednesday, so because we eat it just for like a snack or whatever. Tina wanted it all the time. She wanted it until it was completely gone, and then she would want me to make some more. Put that right in. So we've got a red pepper, a yellow pepper, and I like green peppers all right, but I normally only like green peppers on my pizza. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in just a little bit of green pepper. Not very much. But the good thing about this recipe is if you like something more than another item, it's not a problem. You can put in the things you like. Ooh, these are beautiful. And these make the pasta salad taste amazing. Let me go and wash these. You guys are going to love these. They are called Little Flavor Bomb tomatoes. And if you just have regular grape tomatoes, or if you just have big beefsteak tomato, whatever kind of tomato you have will be fine for this pasta salad. You can cut them in half or in fours, whatever you like. I'm cutting them in fours. If they're real small, I just cut them in half. The bigger ones, I cut in the fours. This will be just a strictly vegetable one. You can add, sometimes I have added cubed ham and cubed cheese to make this really more like a meal. But today, because this is going to be our side dish. With all the holidays, 4th of July, summertime, this is a great summertime pasta salad. Wintertime too. It's really good any time of the year. And we put quite a few tomatoes in there. My favorite thing in this pasta salad is the carrots. The carrots seem to soak up the dressing that we put in with it, and they taste amazing. I can't quit eating the carrots. So we're going to wash this up. I'm going to use 3 big carrots. This is a huge pasta salad. We're going to wash them and peel them. Oh, so good. The water is boiling. We're going to put that pasta right in. That didn't take no time at all. Okay. Now we want these to be very small. We don't want them to be really thick. They add so much flavor. It's my favorite part of the salad, honestly. I'm going to cut, as I get bigger at the top, I'm just going to cut it in half because we want them to all be about the same size. This is one of my favorite to have in the refrigerator at all times in the summertime because it lasts so long in the refrigerator. We're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, but I really love the garlic in this dressing. I have some basil here, and dried basil is really the key here. So we're going to put like 4 tablespoons of basil. It makes a huge difference, and it tastes amazing. Now we're going to put in about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Just put it right in. Now we're going to put in about 6 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. And we're going to see if we need more. Sometimes we have to double it. If I put too many vegetables in, we will double it, but I think we're good. Okay, we're going to need about a teaspoon of salt. And our pasta is almost done. Oh, this smells so good. This smells so good, guys. Oh my gosh. I could just eat it like this without the pasta. Okay, our pasta is ready, and we want it to go in here warm. We're going to drain our pasta, and then we're going to rinse it off to kind of cool it down a little bit. And we just want it warm, not hot, but when it's warm and it soaks up the juices of that dressing. Okay, guys, we're going to pour our pasta right in. And we're just going to stir it all around. It may need some salt and pepper, but tomorrow this will all marry. Oh, it'll be so good. Oh, I know what I forgot. I knew there was something I forgot. I'll show you. The last ingredient is feta cheese. Oh my gosh, it's so good. With those tomatoes, the red onion, oh my goodness. The black olive, it really makes this pasta salad. I think it might need a little bit more feta. Okay, we're going to put a little bit in a dish. I'm going to have just a little bit of this. That's so good. You're going to love it. You are going to love it. Those tomatoes soak up that dressing, and when you bite into it, it gives you a burst. Oh my gosh, it's so good. We're going to cover this. It will sit all night, and it gets better and better. You guys are going to love this pasta salad. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. You are the best audience on YouTube. You bless me every single day. You're so kind and loving. You go. You have a wonderful, wonderful day.